I started out in search of ordinary things. How much of a tree bends in the wind? I started telling the story without knowing the end. I used to be darker, then I got lighter, then I got dark again. Something too big to be seen was passing over and over me. Well, it seemed like a routine case at first. With the death of the shadow came a lightness of verse. But the darkest of nights in truth still dazzled, and I work myself until I'm frazzled. I ended up in search of ordinary things. How can a wave possibly be? I started running when the concrete turned to sand. I started running when things didn't pan out as planned. In case things go poorly and I not return, remember the good things I've done. In case things go poorly and I not return, remember the good things I've done. Oh, dawn made in